What is going on, guys? We're back again, and we are going to be changing the oil in the Grom today. So I got some Honda oil for this, and pretty easy actually, since it only has like 1,000 miles on it. What we're gonna do is the drain plug is right down here. It is right here. So what we're gonna do is just put a pan underneath this, let it drain out, and then fill it back up right here. So I won't actually change the screen this time or clean it off, because it says to do it at like 2,000 miles. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. But here we go. We're gonna put this under here, and then we will change the oil real quick. Okay, if you can see this is a 11/16 bolt, and it goes right. Okay, so this is a 11/16 bolt. I already loosened it up. This is only a quart of oil. So we're just gonna go ahead and try not to make a mess. This actually drains straight down with the stock exhaust, so there's nothing to this. And it's pretty black. But yeah, we're gonna let this drain, and then we'll put the new oil back in. Oil's quit. We'll go ahead and put the drain plug back in. Get this done real quick, and then we'll tighten it. Get oil out of the way. And it's tight. Okay. So now we're gonna add oil to here. It's the dipstick. Let's go ahead and put this over here. Our paper towel. We'll go ahead and get another one for this purpose. Okay, so I have a really long funnel. Makes it a whole lot easier to put this in. But this takes almost right at a quart. So I'm gonna fill it almost all the way up, and then I'll check the level, make sure. And I'll show you how to do that as well. There are, I don't know if you can see this, but the lines here indicate that the oil should be somewhere in this area, between that top and bottom mark. So what we're gonna do is fill this up and then check it out. All right, guys, I filled this up. I put a whole quart in there, and this is what my dipstick looks like. I don't know if you can see this, but it's just right there at the end. It's full. So one whole quart will get you all the way full. So don't even worry about measuring it. What we do to measure it is that just goes here on top, and then you can pull it out and check it out. But that's it. So now what I'm gonna do is gonna start it up, let it run for a minute, and then everything should be good to go.